pleasure to welcome Delegate Adams. Thanks, Ron. Thank you. Thank you. I want to thank you for having me today, and a special thank you to the organizers of this important event, including Rob and Kate. Welcome to March Madness, Cuccinelli style. In basketball, when you break the rules, you're called on a foul. Today we're here to call Ken Cuccinelli on his fouls. Cuccinelli's foul of breaking his central campaign promise. Cuccinelli's foul of seeking a rollback to bigotry. Cuccinelli's foul of denying the science of climate change. Cuccinelli's foul of seeking to deny Virginians health care coverage. No Virginian has been so out of touch with the realities of the 21st century. Ken Cuccinelli promised to impartially carry out the duties of the Office of Attorney General. He promised us not to impose his personal political agenda on the Commonwealth. His duties are to lock up criminals, to fight fraud as the consumer's chief consumer advocate, and when Cuccinelli breaks those promises, we will call him out. After all, a bigot is a bigot is a bigot. When Cuccinelli can't understand the reality of climate change and waste time in our tax dollars suing federal government, we will call him out. Ken Cuccinelli boasts of suing the federal government to deny health care to the sick. When he seeks to hurt those with pre-existing medical conditions, when he seeks to deny insurance coverage to the unemployed and the needy, we will call him out. What has Ken Cuccinelli done as Attorney General in the last 3 months? Has he locked up more criminals? Has he been our leading consumer advocate? Has he fought fraud to protect Virginians from identity theft? The answer is no. This is a total departure from previous Attorney Generals. You are law students. You should know that Ken Cuccinelli failed to cite a statute, as Abby Raphael has told me, that Virginia's public universities cannot, that when he advised Virginia's public universities that they cannot include sexual orientation in their anti-discrimination policies. Section 23-9.2.3 of the Virginia Code empowers our public universities to establish rules and regulations, both, quote, for the conduct of students while attending such institution, quote, as well as for the employment of professors, teachers, instructors, and all other employees. I saw someone over here with a law book. Go look it up. It's in there. George Mason University Law School is named for the author of the Virginia Declaration of Rights and the father of the Bill of Rights. You have produced respected judges, law firm partners, and appointed officials. Ken Cuccinelli is not only an embarrassment to our Commonwealth, but sadly he's an embarrassment to this great institution. Ken, you may be here speaking to law students, but they are not buying your brand of bigotry. Not buying that bigotry yesterday, not buying that bigotry today, not buying that bigotry tomorrow, not buying that bigotry ever. To our Attorney General, words like toleration and diversity are dirty words. He prefers discrimination and persecution, but he's wrong. Hate is not a Virginia value, it's not an educational value. It's not who we are, and it's not who we want to be. Ken would have us turn back the clock on progress, but I say we must look forward to embracing a diverse society and a diverse people, to equal rights for all Virginians. That is the Virginian you know. That is the Virginian I know. That is the Virginia to which we must introduce our Attorney General. That is the real Commonwealth of Virginia. Thank you for being here today. Our next speaker is a fervent defender of our community and a voice for equal rights. Not only is she a member of the Arlington School Board, but she has served as a Deputy Commonwealth Attorney here in Arlington, Abby Raphael.